Word up, Maths Legends. Today, measures of probability. We're going to be looking at learning how to identify the probability of an event that's occurring in any kind of experiment that has probability. Obviously, me and all this bling, you're in the right place. All right, Math Legends, let's have a look at what we need to do to be successful today. There's only two things. First one is I'm able to write the denominator for a total outcome, and I'm able to write the numerator for a favourable outcome. What that means is, and we're going to look a bit closer at it, is that when you're writing a fraction for an event, you're going to know that the total number of events that could possibly happen is a denominator, and you're going to know that the numerator is going to be the ones that you're looking for, so the favourable outcomes, the ones that you want to happen. So let's have a look at my example to start with here. You can see on my spinner that there is three different colors on my spinner. You can see that there is yellow, red, and green. Now, if I'm looking at the total number of outcomes or the total number of opportunities that I can roll, there are three. So you can see here, and I'm going to highlight it in green. You can see here in green that I have highlighted my denominator. So my denominator, the number below the line, you can see I've done three. Now, if I'm looking for it to land on a red, then, and I'm going to highlight this in yellow, there is only one red. So I'm going to do one. Now, the one thing that you can see there is that each of the different sections are the exact same size. So they've got equal opportunity to land on them. So three equal slices. Three at the denominator, one red, one at the top. So we know that the probability of this happening or occurring is 1/3 or 1/3. All right, let's have a look at this one here. There's another opportunity for us to check it out. You can see that all the different slices of these circles are all exactly the same size. It says here, what is the probability for us to land on a green in each of these different circles? Now you can see on the first one that I have, it's been cut up into 4 different sections. You can see that. Now that's total different outcomes is 4. I'm going to put down my 4 to start with. Now I know that that is my denominator. That means there are 4 total different outcomes that could be landed on. Now, how many greens do I have? I have 1, 2, 3. So then my favourable outcomes, which is my numerator, is 3. So that would mean for A to get a green, I would have 3/4 or 3/4 of an opportunity to land on a green. The next one is cut up into 4 again. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write my denominator again as 4. Now, I'm looking for green. That's my favourable outcome. That's the one that I want to happen. There's only one. So I'm going to put 1 at the top. So I have 1/4 or 1/4 as being my probability of landing on a green on B. My last one, you can see it's been cut up into more. Now, I like to write on mine to make sure that I don't miscount. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 different outcomes. I'm going to put 10 as my denominator. Now, the next thing I need to do is look at favourable outcomes. I'm looking at green. 1, 2, 3 greens, and I'm going to put that as the numerator, so it's 3/10. So I can see here I have 3/10 is my probability for getting a green on my spinner C. Okay, here's your opportunity now. And what I would love for you to do is stop the video in a second. We're looking here at finding the probability of landing on blue and yellow for each of these. So you can see my spinner 1, and I'm just going to write a 1 there so you can see it. There's my number 1. My spinner 2 is over here. You're going to write down for me what you think the probability of landing on a blue on the first one and landing on a yellow. Now remember, the denominator is the total number of outcomes. The numerator is the favourable outcome, or the one that we want to land on. So, for an example, spinner 1, we're looking to land on blue. I can see that there are 3 favourable outcomes. In spinner 2, though, there are 3 as well. However, the denominator in both will be different. Stop the video now, have a look. I'll come back and see how you went. Good luck. Okay, let's have a quick look. I'm going to write on here to start with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is my denominator. I know that there are 3 green, so my answer is 3/5. Yellow, however, there is only one favourable outcome. Still 5 total outcomes. It is 1/5. My second one, let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know for both blue and for yellow, my total outcomes is 10. To find blue, I have 3. So 3/10. In yellow, there are 2/10. So 3/10, 2/10. Well done, gentlemen. Remember, numerator, favourable outcomes. Denominator, total outcomes. Good luck. See you in class.